Hello everybody. Today I will sharing some tips on how to arrange icons or move icons from one home screen to another.
As you install new apps on your iPad, the real estate on your home screen can quickly fill up, or you may find that you want one home screen to be used for your most often used apps. Therefore, it is important to know how to rearrange your icons and move them from one home screen to another. First method. In order to move icons, you need to press and hold on icon until all of the icons start to shake.
Karma's got a thing for me. We hold hands, make plans, keep the receipts. Karma, she's my best friend. One step closer, here's how it ends. Karma's got a thing for me. You see, you'll be digging up 6 feet. Karma's never let me down. My smile will kill when I cut you out.
Once you are in T mode, you can simply drag the icons around the current home screen till they are arranged how you want them. If you would like to move an icon between different home screens, simply drag the icon left or right of the screen until the new home screen appears. This can be seen in the image below.
Karma's got a thing for me. We hold hands, make plans, keep the receipts. Karma, she's my best friend. One step closer, here's how it ends. Karma's got a thing for me. You see, you'll be digging up 6 feet. Karma's never let me down. My smile will kill when I cut you out. It's karma. It's okay to hurt your voice screaming in my face. I know you gotta bark when you don't got bite. Tell me, what's that like? What's that like? Being that insecure, acting up, immature. Had enough, I'm so bored. I'm so bored. It's karma. It's karma. Karma's got a thing for me. We hold hands, make plans, keep the receipts. Karma, she's my best friend. One step closer, here's how.
Thanks for watching, and if you find this tips helpful, please kindly subscribe to my channel for more tech tips.